Hey guys, this is Lane Morgan here, owner of Renown Cargo Trailers, and we got some beautiful trailers you can see behind us. And I guarantee you, you ain't never seen none like this. We've got this magnificent pink one, and we've got this beautiful purple one. These are mobile pet grooming trailers. Again, I'm Lane Morgan, the owner of Renown Cargo Trailers. We are located in Douglas, Georgia. I've got my right-hand man here, Austin King. He's going to tell you a lot about them, but I just wanted to point out a few things on these trailers, man. Everybody's raving about them. All our pet grooming trailer customers are getting in line. They're putting their deposit down. They're getting their orders in, and these things are going so quick and so fast. We've got these things, you know, a few years ago, Zoe, my sales, you know, she's my secretary, but she's really the glue that holds us all together around here. She wears a lot of different hats, but she always talked about a pink trailer. But anyway, you know, we got in the mobile pet grooming business probably about 8 or 9 years ago. This is a fantastic way to generate revenue in your life. These guys and gals that are doing this are making a lot of money. Some of the perks or the benefit of being mobile, having a mobile grooming trailer is, one, you can charge up to 3 to 4 times as much as you can if someone brings it to a brick and mortar building. So one, you can generate more revenue but have less overhead, and you're not paying somebody rent to rent a space at a brick and mortar building. You can actually own this yourself, and actually, you know, you will have an investment that is yours. You're not just throwing money away at rent. But guys, there's a lot of cool features on these trailers that nobody else is doing. I'm gonna put a few of them out, and I'm gonna let Austin go through the rest of the trailers. But both these are 7x14 tandem axle trailers. One's purple, obviously, one's pink. Basically, the specs are the same, but a couple of things we do different. This is a true undercoating on this frame. True undercoating. You don't have to worry about, you know, your frame rusting.
All right, you guys, so like Lane was saying, on this trailer, we have 9,000 watt generators on this specific package of trailer. This is a 9,000 watt, 7,600 running watts, so the cranking amps is 9,000. Even comes with an on and off switch to only go on your keychain, so you don't have to come up here and open up this box. Just start it from your remote, and you'll be ready to roll. This generator box, what's cool is the back door is vented, so you don't have to worry about your O2 sensors and stuff cutting off your generator. You can run it with the door closed. You've seen in the video, I opened up the front. That's going to be your control panel with your on, off, start, the way you want to run it, whether it be propane or gas. Up top is how you'd fill it up. So you'd open up this top part, and when you open it up, you can see right there is where you'd fill it up with gas. Have your propane cage on the other side right here. So like Lane said, this is a dual fuel, but at the same time, that's not the only place that's going to use the propane. We also have an instant hot water heater on this trailer that runs off of propane, so you never have to worry about your dog running into cold water. Here's going to be your motor base cap. So this is where you plug up your 50 amp motor base plug, and that's just going to give you power. It's a neater way of doing it instead of pulling it through the trailer. Also on this trailer, we have a blackout. So if you'll see, we did a blackout special. Comes with all of your black trimming and your actual alloy wheels as well. And then Lane said, we have that elite siding with it screwless, so you won't see any screws in it. Just takes all them wrinkles and waves out of the trailer, makes it look a little bit more like glass. Down here we have 5,200 pound axles that we're running on our pet grooming trailer, so you have plenty of weight capacity to tote everything you need inside of the trailer. Also have a 30x30 window there. If you'll see, it is tinted, and it does have a screen. So that is 30x30 window. We have one on each side, so on a nice day you wanted to open it up, you can catch a breeze through it. In the back of this trailer we have barn doors. So back here, and I'll show you inside the pink trailer, this is going to be where all of your plumbing and everything would be at. It makes it easy accessible if you ever have to fix anything. And then also at the same time, we have that propane hot water heater. Step right here to this side, propane hot water heater, that's the outside access panel for it. And in the pink one, I'll show you the inside of it. This is going to be your city fuel center. So this is where you know, pump all your water and all that good stuff too. All right, you guys, so on this side, we're fixing to walk into the trailer. We have a 32-inch side door as well. We have that 30x30 window on each side of the trailer. And then this is going to be our inside of the trailer. So we have pink cabinets lower. We also have pink upper cabinets. So this is going to be your storage for your shampoos or towels or whatever you may need inside of the trailer. Also, you'll see we have some drawers here. So not just cabinets, but they are drawers. So we have drawers. One thing I like about these drawers that most plants don't do is they actually cover the inside with aluminum. So it's not just plywood in there. It just gives it a nice finish. All right. Now, here we have a backsplash here. This is like a brickish foam. So it feels like foam, but that's a backsplash. So you don't have to worry about it slinging up a mess and stuff there. Have two 110-volt interior receptacles here. Plug up whatever you may need, a little mini fridge or whatever the case is. This is going to be your 12-volt switch for your under counter light. So if you need some light up under here, there's a 48-inch 12-volt strip here. All right. We'll come up here. So this is going to be our electrical package, and in our electrical package it also has a 12-volt converter in there and an inverter. So there's a solar panels up on the roof that's conducting energy back into the battery, and then that's going to be your electrical package. It'll run off of your 50 amp or your 12-volt. Here, this is going to be in the back. I showed you guys we have our shop back. So this is our shop back. You'll see it runs all the way through the back wall and then comes into here. And we pretty much will just wrap around, I reckon. So here we're going to have a baseboard heater. So some people has wanted some heaters in here just for when it's super, super cold. So this is going to do that. It's going to have plenty capacity to heat up this trailer. Other than like most rooftop ACs, it's just a heat strip. Here we're going to have a 15,000 BTU AC. Also, this is a nice one. So you'll see it's got different swing airs, sleep. It's got timers, fans, modes, eco, whether you want to go eco mode or full blast. I'm the full blast type of person. Here we're going to have our table. So a bunch of our pet groomers was telling us our gas shock tables, you know, just when you would shock it up, it would kind of scare the dogs. So in this one, we do have an electric table. So it's just smooth up, smooth down. You won't scare your dogs anymore. These are them 30 by 30 windows on the interior of the trailer. So they do open, and they do have, oh, and that feels so good. And they do have screens as well. So both of them will open. And then we're going to come back here to the back. So here we're going to have our dryer. So this is a Flying Pig pink dog grooming dryer. All right, got your on, you got your off, you got your how much pressure you want it to blow. Back here, Jake, if you'll see, so this right here is going to be the on and off switch for your actual hot water heater back there in the back. And then this right here, what you'll do is you can adjust the temperature of the hot water heater. So you can go up 120 degrees or you can go down. At the same time, you still are going to get cold water, but this is how you adjust your hot water temp. I'm going to turn that off. Here, you'll notice on one side of the actual tub, we do have a sink down here. Well, this sink, or a cabinet, excuse me, and this cabinet is just going to store stuff. So if you have different cleaning products. Here is going to be a 5 foot, which is a 60-inch stainless steel Flying Pig dog grooming tub. So you have a step here. If you have a bigger dog you don't want to pick up, they can walk themselves in. Easy latch door so you can open. Also, it does have trays. So if you had a smaller dog and you didn't want to bend down as far, you can put them trays up. So now you got your little pooches, your little chihuahuas or whatever the case may be. You don't have to bend down and break your back all day. We do on this one have an upgraded nozzle. It's not like the older Flying Pig models that you've seen. Has a couple different functions to it. I think there's like 5 or 6 there. Your tap, look, we already had some water from where they tested it. So there's your tap for your cold and your hot. We also have a different attachment head. If you don't like that one, this one's a little bit more of a shower, so they come with 2. You can put this one on. This is a bar up top. What it's for is to hook your dog by the collar here. If you need an underbelly girt here to hold that dog up so he don't always fall on you, then you have your back one. So this is our tub, stainless steel Flying Pig tub. Also on the floor of this, if you'll notice, we did a vinyl flooring. It just kind of looks like your tongue and groove inside of your house. Just give it a nice finished look. In the top of it, we have lights. We have plenty of them. There's a total of 5 lights there, one directly above your tub, and then we also have that 12-volt 48-inch up under here. So you'll notice these are 12-volt. Like I said, they run off of a converter. So that's the ones for your dog tub back there. This is the ones for here. So even if you're not hooked up to a generator, you still have access to light if you need to get in here and take care of something. They're all ran off of the inverter. That's pretty much what we have on the inside of this trailer, you guys. If you want to, we'll step back out, we'll go around it, and then we'll close it up. All right, you guys, so like I said, my name is Austin King here at Renown Cargo Trailers. Me and Lane was showing you these exclusive dog grooming trailers that we have exclusive rights to here in Douglas, Georgia. We have that special outside siding that Lane was talking about that comes in pink and in purple. We also been trying to venture into other colors, but that's what we have at the moment. And as always, these 2 trailers, I believe one of them is sold. I think we still have a pink one available as well as a white one, but I can get any color, and I have colors coming down line just waiting to go be picked up. There's a bunch of different ways you can reach us. The main way is going to be our number, 888-287-3954. And then we have a bunch of social media platforms as well as websites, www.renowncargotrailers.com, concessiontrailers.com. There's a bunch of different ways you can reach us, but that main one, the 888 number, 888-287-3954. My name is Austin King here at Renown Cargo Trailers, 1135 Bowens Mill Road Southwest in Douglas, Georgia. And until we see you guys, y'all be blessed.